Well, check this out. Got a little coin spill here. Yeah, 3/4, a dime, and a zinkin. Huzzah! Let's hunt. Yep. There's that elusive nickel and my cycle. So this is the 25th of yep, 25th of July, and I got my cycle. Took me 2 hours to do it, 2.5. Well, there. Got a little coin spill, got a dime, a nickel, and a quarter all together. Let's hunt. And looky there, I got another nickel and a quarter together. Another mini coin spill. Let's hunt. I got another little mini coin spill, 2/4 together in the same hole. Huzzah! Let's hunt.